Hi, I'm Manvendra Singh, machine learning developer and trainer at Codegnan IT Solution. In this video, I'll tell you everything about Microsoft AI900 Fundamental Certification and how our self-paced course can help you to clear the certification. So after we have learned Python and all the machine learning, what's next? The Azure AI Fundamentals Training and Certification course introduces fundamental concepts related to artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Microsoft services that can be used to create AI solutions. This certification is intended for candidates with both technical and non-technical background. Data science and software engineering experience is not required. However, some general programming knowledge or experience would be beneficial. We can use the AI900 Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental Certification exam as an essential tool for demonstrating a thorough understanding of general ML and AI workloads. Cloud-based solutions have been in demand over the last several years, which is not likely to change in the future. Today, organizations of all shapes and sizes are using cloud-based software and services. So gaining up-to-date certification like the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental Certification from a household name like Microsoft should make you much more attractive to current and your future employer as the cloud is booming. So the one-stop solution with affordable cost is academy.codegnan.com with complete practical guidance, practice quizzes, instructor support and free Microsoft certification. Don't delay it. Do register in the link below. You can also download the app from Play Store as Codegnan. Never hesitate to raise your queries in the comment section. We'll be happy to guide you. So if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.